Hi there, everybody. Okay, I have a problem here. Well, this one. To tell you, actually, to admit it, this is a buy one take one sale in a mall, in a supermarket. Unfortunately, after a few sprays and after a few days, it doesn't work at all. It malfunctions. So it's like this. Okay, so it's locked and it's free. Okay, no spray at all. Okay, the other one, fortunately, it's still spraying. Alright, so strong. So, what do we do? Okay, this is just a simple life hack. Okay, I'll fix it. I'm going to exchange the spray. Okay, it may be. Oh, it could be difficult for time. Must be the whole thing, the whole blue plastic cap cover. Alright, that's it. Okay. The problem is, I think the problem is the spray, what do you call it, bulb? It's clogged. Okay, it's clogged. What we're going to do is to exchange the spray cap. Okay, maybe hard, maybe difficult for a few. Be careful, but it won't explode. Alright. Okay, so again, this is the new one. I mean the working one. I mean this one. Okay, we exchange it, and okay, the difference is the malfunctioning one is a little broken. There's some scratches over here. Let's see if it works. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, that solves the problem.